these changes are much more than autos. This is about autos. This is about intellectual property. This is about agriculture. This is about better deals for financial services, currency transparency, and greater market access for our companies. So this is really, we did what the president's objectives were, which was to rebalance the relationship, to modernize it, and create more market access. And now we'll turn to Canada, and hopefully we'll get Canada on board.
Where are the biggest sticking points with Canada right now of that list of things that you just laid out?
Well, I don't anticipate there's going to be a lot of sticking points. I think that Ambassador Lighthizer has done a terrific job over the last year, working on lots of details. We've made a lot of progress with Canada, coming along on a lot of those, and hopefully they'll come on board. But if not, we'll move forward with Mexico. This is a great move forward for trade.
Let's talk about what happens if Canada is not part of the deal. The president laid it out very clearly that he's ready to move on and just have a U.S. Mexico agreement. Is that something that you think could get approved by Congress?
I do. I mean, I think our objective is to try to get Canada aboard quickly, but this is a great deal for American workers. If you remember one thing, this deal is about more trade for U.S. companies and goods and services, and that's what we're focused on.
What would you think? I mean, I know you think that there's been a lot that's been already kind of cleared out with Canada. We have had some optimistic guests earlier this morning who have joined us to say that they think a deal can get worked out by Thursday or by Friday. But of all the issues right now, I mean, what do you think is going to be potentially a problem? Is it agriculture? Because that's been such a huge sticking point between the United States and Canada?
Well, I'm not going to speculate on any one issue. What I would say is the U.S. market and the Canadian markets are very intertwined. It's important for them to get this deal, and it's important for us to get this deal. So I think we'll be successful. But again, if we don't, we'll move forward with Mexico, and then we'll reach a separate agreement with Canada. So this is really about a trade win. This is about the president's economic agenda that we've been very clear from day one. Tax reform, regulatory relief, and trade, and this is the first major component of the trade agreements.